Hi there, on today's how-to video we're going to show you how to change the straps on a Fitbit Versa. They're not quite as straightforward as a Fitbit Charge 2, so I thought I'd put this video on, but it's not too bad either once you know what you're doing. So if you just take your watch, turn it upside down, and what we do is just look for the two ball bearings, top and bottom. Just get your fingernail over the top of it and just pull it gently downwards until you sort of hear it click, and then just move the top out a little bit. And then you just lift it up and you just sort of see two ends of it that's just springy, which you hold it in place. So we just get the new strap here, turn it upside down, and so how we want to do it is just push the bottom into the hole first, hold the spring down, and then just push into place. So we'll keep sort of bringing it around so you hear it click in. And the trick to this is not to do it flat, coming out here. You have to do it at an angle, otherwise you won't get it to clip in. Okay, so we just turn it upside down, get the next one, pull this down, and just sort of see the top just spring out, and then just lift it up gently for the bottom to come out too. So again, just get the bottom in first. And don't forget, not this flat angle here because it won't go in. It needs to be at an angle like so. So we get the bottom in, so, and try that again. There we go. Wiggle it about a bit just to make sure it all clips in, and that's the top and bottom in. And there you go, new strap, nice and easy. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the reminder, and I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.